In a world where technology no longer just supports us but lives alongside us, CES 2025 unveiled robots that aren't just tools, they're partners. From lifelike humanoids mastering precision tasks to AI companions stealing hearts, this year's showcase blurred the lines between machine and humanity, leaving us stunned at what the future holds. Number 1. CASBOT 01, the industrial powerhouse. Let's begin with CASBOT 01, a humanoid robot that was the centerpiece of CES 2025's robotics exhibit. Created by Lingbao CASBOT, this machine is a marvel of engineering and AI. Standing an impressive 5.8 feet tall and weighing 132 pounds, CASBOT looks like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. But what sets it apart isn't just its size, it's what it can do. CASBOT boasts an incredible 52 degrees of freedom, which allows it to perform lifelike movements with astonishing precision. During its live demonstration, CASBOT showcased its ability to assemble furniture, navigate uneven terrain, and organize household items. It even used its highly dexterous bionic hands to complete delicate tasks, all without error. One of the most astonishing features of CASBOT 01 is its computational power. 550 trillion operations per second. That makes it capable of processing and responding to complex scenarios in real time. And here's the kicker. Lingbao CASBOT made its software open source. That means developers around the world can tweak, improve, and customize this robot to suit their specific needs, from industrial automation to personal assistance. Whether it's helping in logistics, manufacturing, or even your home, CASBOT 01 isn't just a robot. It's a glimpse into the future of labor and robotics. But what truly sets CASBOT 01 apart is its ability to collaborate seamlessly with humans. CASBOT 01 redefines collaboration by safely working alongside humans thanks to advanced sensors and bionic hands. More than replacing labor, CASBOT enhances teamwork, making it a groundbreaking humanoid robot. Number 2. Mirumi, the adorable clip-on companion. Moving on from the towering CASBOT 01 to something much smaller but no less impactful, let's talk about Mirumi, a robot that has charmed audiences with its simplicity and cuteness. Developed by Yukai Engineering, Mirumi is a tiny clip-on robot designed to make your daily life just a little brighter. Imagine attaching a small, adorable companion to your bag, one with googly eyes, lifelike head tilts, and gestures that mimic human emotions. That's Mirumi for you. At CES, Mirumi captured hearts not with flashy technology but with its subtle charm. Its sensors, including an inertial measurement unit and an internal distance sensor, allow it to react to your movements and interactions. For instance, if you tilt your head towards it, Mirumi might tilt its head back as if it's curious. If startled, it playfully retreats as though it's shy. These seemingly simple behaviors like Mirumi feel less like a gadget and more like a companion. And the best part? It's incredibly portable, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. In a world filled with advanced utilitarian robots, Mirumi proves that sometimes the smallest things can have the biggest impact. Could this tiny robot become the emotional companion of the future? Number 3. Mirukai, the robot with emotional intelligence. While Mirumi focuses on portability and charm, Mirukai brings emotional intelligence to a whole new level. Introduced by Enchanted Tools, this 4-foot-tall assistive robot wowed CES attendees with its empathetic design and practical capabilities. Mirukai isn't just another functional robot. It's designed to connect with people on a deeply human level. Its name, inspired by the Japanese concept of seeing beauty in others, reflects its mission to enhance human lives through both functionality and emotional support. At CES, Mirukai demonstrated an impressive range of abilities, from sorting clothes and assembling items to interacting empathetically with users. One of its standout features is its head, which moves with 2 degrees of freedom, giving it lifelike expressions. Another unique design element is the ring of LED lights at its base, which prevents it from tipping over. But Mirukai's true brilliance lies in its emotional intelligence. It doesn't just perform tasks, it engages with you, responding to your moods and interactions in ways that make it feel alive. Number 4. MarsCat, the bionic pet of the future. If Mirukai is about emotional connection, then MarsCat is about redefining companionship entirely. Created by Elfin Robotics, MarsCat is a fully autonomous, interactive robot pet designed to behave just like a real cat. Imagine having a pet that stretches, sleeps, and even buries litter without the need for food, grooming, or cleanup. That's the magic of MarsCat. What's truly fascinating about Marscat is its ability to develop a unique personality based on how you interact with it. Are you playful and engaging? Marscat might become energetic and enthusiastic. If you're more hands-off, it could develop a shy or aloof demeanor. During its CES showcase, Marscat demonstrated its lifelike behaviors, responding to petting with its touch-sensitive sensors and recognizing objects like toys with its AI-powered vision system. It's not just a robotic pet, it's a personalized companion. Number 5. Sense Robot Chess, the AI Chess Master. For those who love mental challenges, Sense Robot Chess is the perfect match. This innovative robot combines AI and robotics to create an entirely new chess-playing experience. Imagine sitting across from a sleek robotic arm that not only moves chess pieces with millimeter-level precision, but also analyzes your strategy and adapts to your moves in real time. That's the genius of Sense Robot Chess. At CES, attendees were amazed by its 25 coaching levels, which make it suitable for everyone from beginners to grandmasters. Sense Robot Chess doesn't just play, it teaches. It records your games, analyzes your mistakes, and offers strategic advice to help you improve. And if you're preparing for a tournament, it can simulate different playing styles to give you an edge. But what really sets SenseBot Chess apart is its online connectivity. It allows you to compete with players from around the world, bringing a social element to this already engaging experience. Number 6. Saros Z70, the vacuum cleaner that tidies up. Now let's switch gears to something a little more practical but no less groundbreaking. Saros Z70 by Roborock. This isn't your average vacuum cleaner. It's the world's first vacuum with a robotic arm. Yes, you heard that right. The Z70 comes equipped with a 5-axis foldable robotic arm called OmniGrip, capable of picking up objects weighing up to 300 grams like socks, towels, or toys. Imagine walking into a cluttered room and seeing your vacuum not only clean the floors but also pick up and organize household items. That's exactly what the Z70 can do. During its CES demo, it impressed audiences with its ability to navigate cluttered spaces using its advanced Starsight Autonomous System 2.0. This system combines AI-powered cameras, laser distance sensors, which are called LDS, and dual light 3D TEO sensors to detect and avoid over 100 obstacles. And with a suction power of 22,000 pascals, it delivers top-tier cleaning performance. Number 7. Mimo, the conversational AI robot. Finally, let's return to where we began. Mimo, a robot that defies all expectations. Created by Tokyo-based Jizai, Mimo doesn't look like your typical robot. With its spider-like legs and a body resembling a bedside table, it's as much a work of art as it is a technological marvel. But don't let its unusual design fool you. Mimo is a powerhouse of conversational AI. At CES, Mimo showcased its ability to engage in meaningful conversations, hold eye contact, and even interpret nonverbal cues. It's equipped with advanced sensory systems that allow it to navigate its environment and interact with people in a natural, intuitive way. Which one of these groundbreaking creations captured your imagination the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey into the cutting-edge world of robotics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. The age of robots has arrived, and this is just the beginning. Where will they take us next? Stay tuned.